Hello everyone, let's dive into the Lofree Flow Lite, an affordable take on the popular low-profile mechanical keyboard design. Lofree has taken its original Flow keyboard and streamlined the manufacturing process, swapping out the aluminum body for ABS plastic to bring the cost down. Don't let that deter you, though. The ABS has a textured surface that still feels nice to the touch. The key selling point here is the low-profile design. The Flow Lite 84 is crafted to encourage a more natural wrist position, with a lower front height compared to the original Flow. Paired with low-profile mechanical keys, this keyboard aims to provide comfortable typing for extended periods. Speaking of keys, this keyboard features Spectre full POM linear switches. These switches are designed to soften the touch and reduce strain. Lofree and Kale have collaborated to lower the operating force to 40 GF, which should translate to less finger fatigue during those long work sessions. Connectivity is versatile, offering 2.4G wireless via a receiver, Bluetooth, and a wired USB-C option. This makes it compatible with a range of devices, including Windows PCs and Macs. The keyboard also includes hotkeys, media keys, and a volume roller for added convenience. It's also hot swappable, allowing you to change the switches. The Lofree Flow Lite comes in a flamingo color. With 84 keys, it maintains a compact 75% layout, saving desk space without sacrificing too much functionality. If you're looking for an entry point into the world of low-profile mechanical keyboards without breaking the bank, the Lofree Flow Lite 84 is worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.